Hello, it's Martin, and I want to show you what's in this box. So in this box, it's a soundbar. So let's unbox it. Just a quick unbox. So it's a soundbar LP-S11 computer speaker. You'll find a description where you can find this. So let's see what's in it. It's not sure what this, can't remember the specs are. Oh, you get quite a lot. So you get a controller, which is nice. USB-B. The left and right to a 3.5 female connection. Male to male 3.5 millimeter. Nice. Looks like a nice long cable. Yeah, looks good. Looks good quality. Solid. So connections you get this nice volume button. Is this Bluetooth? I think this is Bluetooth. Oh, that's cool. I think it's a portable speaker. Didn't know that. Give me a second. Where's my phone? Okay, well, get some sound tests. So, what else do you get then? And you get a manual. So connections at the back, you get a TF card, a controller for your power, aux, and some other stuff. So let's connect this up now. Bluetooth. Oh, that'd be cool if it is. Oh, there it is, soundbar. Right, that's it connected. Now, what can I play on here? Let's go to the best YouTube video, of course, in the world, in my opinion. In my opinion. What's wrong with LastPass? Now, LastPass, if you don't know, is a password management system. Sounds good. Really good. I've been using it for a couple of years. Really good, actually. It's really good. Volume up and down. My computer. So I'm not going to speak over myself here. So yeah, yes, that's really good. That's cool. Yeah, I think this is going to be very good. So why did I get this? Why didn't I get normal sound speaker? The sound speakers I got before weren't good at all. I didn't enjoy them at all. And I just find using headphones. I do like using headphones, but I just want to sit down and relax, play music. Now this can play it offline on my phone, so that's good. I can Bluetooth this now, so I'm not worried. Yeah, it's just a really quick unboxing of this to show you what it's capable of doing. It's got all these different connections, so I can connect to an amplifier if I want to, for live streaming. Headphones in here, connect straight to my computer, which I'll be doing. I won't be using USB-C, but I'll think of something. I always do. I don't have many USB-Cs on my computers, but I could plug into a USB hub and then plug that into it. I might do that instead. So yeah, I think this is going to be really good for my collection, and it suits my where it's going to be. Doesn't come with a subwoofer, but hey ho, I'm not worried. But that was quite good. Well, that's quite satisfying. Can we hear that on the microphone? Got a satisfying click. So yeah, that's quite satisfying. So yeah, so this is going to replace my speakers I have. They broke a couple of weeks ago. So, and this is just to replace it. So yeah, I think that's going to be good. So, thanks for watching this very quick. I recommend this product. I'm going to review this in a couple months time. I'll come back to you and see if this is a good product. This is the first part of this soundbar, and I want to review it properly. Now, I think this was about, can't remember exactly. I'll have that here. Can't remember how exactly, but for how much it was worth. If it breaks, it's fine. But what I'll do is we'll come back, or we'll do part 2 of a long-term review of this and some of the things I've been doing daily of it. So this is just a very quick unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.